Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. We're going to be making delicious braised pork belly on Gai Lan, which is also known as Chinese broccoli. Now you can choose whatever leafy greens you like, but I really like the Gai Lan with the pork belly. You will need to blanch half a pound of pork belly, but if you love pork belly, you can go up to 1 pound of pork belly. Blanching the pork belly actually helps us clean the pork belly, but as well as it'll be much easier to remove that tough skin. Bring the water to a boil and then rinse the pork belly clean with cool water. The next step is optional, but I choose to do it. Remove the thin, tough skin that is attached to the pork belly. Then you're going to cut the pork belly into 1-inch cube pieces. Remove the skin on the ginger and cut 4 slices of ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the wok on high heat. Add the pork belly and ginger to the wok. Sauté to give it a quick mix, and then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Continue to sauté until it turns slightly golden. Once you notice the pork belly turning slightly golden, add 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And add half a cup of water. If you have more pork belly, add more water. Mix everything together and then cover and simmer on low heat. Remember to check in on your meat and move it around. When you notice that the sauce is starting to dry up, the pork belly will start to soften. Now let's prepare the leafy greens. I'm going to be using baby Gai Lan, which is Chinese broccoli. You're going to need to remove the thick ends. The skin at the end is really not crunchy and kind of tough. I admit this step is time consuming, but it is well worth it when you go to eat the crunchy stems. If you don't have Gai Lan, you can use bok choy, you can use yao choy, you can use lettuce, whatever leafy green that you have at home. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and a pinch of salt to boiling water. We're going to be blanching the vegetables today. Once the water comes to a boil, add the vegetable to the water and then boil it until it softens to your preference. Now, some people like it crunchy, some people like a little bit more soft. This will be completely up to you. Once the vegetable is ready and it's to your liking, plate the vegetable and then drain the excess water from the plate. Do you see the beautiful green color on the vegetable? This is why I add the oil when I boil the vegetable. Let's check on our pork belly. It is ready and it smells so good. Turn off the heat on your wok and then lay the pork belly on top of the vegetables. Drizzle the sauce on top. This is perfect with white rice. I have to be honest, I don't eat pork belly all the time, but when I do, I enjoy it. This is so delicious. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.